Hi everybody, good day. This is just want to show you this project is going to be a Raspberry Pi Zero. Okay, so this is a little microprocessor actually, not a microcontroller. It has a SD card to start boot. It has all the Raspberry Pi have a desktop except for Pico. They have a desktop, and yeah, you can plug a screen if you want, or you can plug a mouse or a keyboard on this side, and you can do a lot of other things. But I am not going to do that. I am going to use a real viewer. In this case, this is a real viewer. It shows you the desktop, but I don't have another screen. I access it from my computer. And yeah, that it's probably the best way. Here's Tony, click on the wrong one. Here's the Tony, the program. Here's the already loaded codes, which I will post on the on the internet, on the website. So if you need a library, you can use a terminal, and you obviously the library will be on the GitHub, and there are different, you can upload them, or you can you go to how do you say update your system here if it asks for it, and then you can also type here to update your system on your terminal. Everything, if you want to upload or download any library, you'll do it via terminal. That's most that people does. Okay, going back to this, it's a pretty simple system. What we have here, we have a DHT11, which show the result, show the values on a OLED screen, small screen, and it'll give you the temperature in centigrade and the humidity, and so on. Okay, I think this is enough for the moment, and have a good day. Thank you. Bye.